to share you how to enqueue CSS and JS file. So let's go. First of all, I have to create functions.php and then start PHP and then create a function. The function name is @deliso CSS and JS file calling including, and then add action. Add action has two parameters. First parameter is a function which name is WP enqueue script, and then copy get first we have to be enqueue CSS file, so that's why I am copying the CSS file and paste. That's for see the URL. So first of all we have to be enqueue reset CS. So first of all WP enqueue style, and then create an ID like that so reset, then get template to the URI and copy the URL and then paste. But it doesn't need right now, so that's why I don't add it, and then copy. Okay, I am included the all CSS file, and then now I am enqueue the all JavaScript files. First of all we have to write WP enqueue script, and then create ID, and then the ID name is deliso coupon. So we don't need include the jQuery because of WordPress has a default JS files, jQuery file, so don't need to include the jQuery file. So that's why I'm just write the function and then called jQuery. That's it. Automatically the jQuery file will be include the themes. So we want to stay jQuery file top. That's why all JavaScript files depends the jQuery file. That's why the array argument name is jQuery. So and then enqueue another script file. Let's go. I have included all CSS and JS files. Let's see are the CSS and JS file working. Let's go. Oh, it is working and no problem the function, I hope, but let's see. If we see the files, well, the all files not working because of we didn't add w head and w footer function. So that's now I am adding the function. First function name w head, and then the footer function is wp footer. And then add body wp body classes, body class. Let's see that. Hope the all files is right now working. Okay, before working we have to see the all files. Something is missing because we didn't delete the all files. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully working, but I have wrong the function w enqueue skip. Let's see. Yes, our action function is okay, but w60 oh no, I have mistake the spelling. Yeah, it's now working. If you see all file added the scene, we got the all files, but our image is not working because of we didn't call the links before the get template directory URI function. Because of the WordPress didn't know, because of the image not included with the localhost and WordPress. So that's why we have to include in the path. So let's do it. Let tablet sorry UI and then echo. If we see our logo is working perfectly, and then now I am including the function all images. So let's go. Okay, I have done the function and see okay, cool. Our all images is now got the links, but our slider not working. Why? So let's see. Not working because of we have to be all $sign converted in jQuery text. So let's do. Working. Well, somehow it doesn't working, so that's why I am keeping the all code in the files. So let's go to creating a file in dot js just for keeping the code. Well, and then we have to be and then we have to include the files. Yeah, image is ready to work, but somehow the slider not working. So don't worry, I fix. Well, why our slider not working? Because of we have a extra codes. That's why we didn't see, and we have to with this script.js file all have all $sign have to be converted in the jQuery text. So let's go. Let's see our jQuery file is added. Yeah, our jQuery file is added. Let's see, our code is added, and what happened? Well, I did a big mistake. First mistake was I had lot of mistake in this enqueue, and then I have fixed, and now all file is okay. But what I mistake, like here I did copy and then paste, that's why two id was same, that's why not working. And the script and main function files jQuery has not stay in the quotation. jQuery will be without quotation, so that's why I remove the quotation, and then main.js file remove the quotation. And if we see, our slider is working and perfectly. So if you enjoy the video, and like the video, and then subscribe the channel, so next time you will be see the another video, and the video will be main start development